Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic arrest commander how to draw circle. To draw circle in arrest commander, you can tap C, press enter, and you need to specify for the center point. I will click here, center point. And you set for the radius, I will set into 5, press enter. So we create the circle with radius 5. You also can specify by diameter, tap C, press enter. Center point, I will click in here, and then we can type D to set into diameter, and I will set into 10 for diameter, press enter again. If you want to create circle by touching in these two objects, we can use 10 radius option. You can tap a circle, press enter, and then you can type TTR, press enter again. Now you need to specify for the first tangen. I will select at the circle, and the second tangen in the circle. Now you can set for radius. I will set into 25 and press enter. So it will be automatically create a circle touching with these two circles object. Okay, that's it for basic arrest commander tutorial, how to draw circle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.